Hi, I'm Jeremy Thompson, wheel engineer at Specialized Bicycles. I'm going to talk to you a little today about something we call 142 Plus. We have here a hub on an Epic 29er bike, and we've been able to change the hub spacing to improve the product and make a stiffer wheel and better system. We're able to do this because we can make the hubs, the frame, and everything to go together. A typical hub has a dropout, or typical bike has a dropout spacing of 135 millimeters. There's a new international standard called 142, which has a 142 millimeter dropout spacing. But the only difference between a 135 wheel and a 142 wheel is the end caps get a little bit wider. It doesn't take advantage of you don't get to change the spoke spacing to gain a stiffer wheel, just the end caps. We've been able to move the spokes apart to make a stiffer wheel, and we've done that by creating what we call 142 Plus, and the plus refers to the fact that we've moved the drive side 2 millimeters out, the whole cassette mechanism 2 millimeters out from a standard 135 hub. 2 millimeters doesn't sound like a lot, but it actually creates a much more stable system. We can do this, like I said, because we can make all the parts. We move the frame, adjust the frame over, and in doing so, move the cassette with it. Some of the benefits of this are a wider spoke stance, which allows a stiffer wheel, and also more balanced spoke tensions, so you don't have one side being much tighter than the other, and this creates a more stable wheel, and you don't have spokes coming out of tension and the wheel going out of true in the long run. In addition to wheel stiffness and system stiffness, one benefit is that it's really easy to take the wheel in and out. Unlike a quick release, the axle is threaded, and there's a nut captive in the frame here. You thread the axle out, the wheel will drop out of the frame vertically. When you go to put it back in, it's like putting a wheel into a through axle fork. You push the wheel back up into it, there are stops up inside the frame, and the end caps will sit into it. Then you can slide the axle in, thread it in, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. It's not as difficult as trying to guide a wheel in with a standard quick release axle.